Hey guys, this is Drake with Drake's Lawn Care. I'm making a tutorial video of putting more string in your speed head. This is how you do it, and this is the type of speed head I got. It's for a 122 LK trimmer. I have it in the description below to get it at Tractor Supply. But let's go into this tutorial video. So for the speed head, it's so useful because if you trimming, edging, or do anything with the weed eater out on the field, you don't want to go back to your truck to get more string or also unhook the cover and put another cover on. So that's why I recommend it. Also you need about 15 to 20 feet of string to feed it to your speed head. Then you need to find, every speed head is different, but for mine, you need to find a hole in it. It's like a little hole, not this, a little hole in that hole. And you feed your string into it. So just like this, and there you go. And what you do from here, you take this part of the string and just try to make it even with the under end. So just keep on going until it looks about even. Okay, let me check this out, make sure it's even, that's important. See, it wasn't even. Okay. Nice day outside, sunny. Oh, okay, there you go. Then what you do from here, you could turn it. You want to turn the speed head top this way. So, this way. For you guys, it's this way, but for me, it's this. So keep turning. It's gonna take a minute, but when you get to your desired length, you stop, and there you go. That's simple. Hold up. I'm gonna get way more. Yeah, that's good. Bam. Speedhead. Simple, easy solution. Saves you a lot of time. The best purchase you could make in your lawn care, landscape, or any business, or just having in general. Maybe you cut your own grass. This is the string I got with the speedhead, so free string. This is like 30 feet, 20 feet, maybe 20. And yeah, guys, I want you to like and subscribe for my content. And if you like this video, please follow my social media account so I can make more in the future. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you, guys. Bye.